Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. And yes, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Turn on notifications right here or right here, so you know when I'm posting the next video. And yes, another modification to the AMG C63S. You remember this one that I did a while ago. I just showed you a photo of it, and here it is again. But now I have a much better one. The original included this little gizmo that is magnet activated. So it has a magnet here and one that you put right there. But the magnets are not very strong, and this operates with AAA batteries. So if the magnet is not working well, then the battery, or actually the light, will continue working and basically exhaust the battery very quickly. So the new mod was given to me by Flex Alexander, my buddy. He sent it to me, and they're courtesy of DMP Car Design. Check the link below in the description. They have very cool stuff for Mercedes, for Audi, for Porsche, for Lexus, and for BMW. And the one that I have, as I said, given to me by Flex, is looking very, very nice. If you want to know about the installation, check this video again from Flex, or the other one from DMP Car Design, where they give you a more detailed explanation, particularly for my kind of car. Flex has a C300, and his installation was a little bit different. With the C63 is, well, basically totally different. The C63S has 360 cameras on the side view mirrors, so those interfere a little bit with the installation of the floodlight or the puddle light. That's what it's called, the puddle light. I had to remove this, and I had to remove the 360 camera. And after removing this and the 360 camera, then the installation was a breeze, at least for your driver's side of the side view mirror. Interestingly enough, on the passenger side, the installation is totally different. I haven't done the passenger side because it involves a lot more work. You have to remove the mirror, you have to remove the motor, you have to remove part of the, I guess, frame on the inside of the side view mirror, and also remove the camera to be able to access the area where the puddle light is. And that is very time consuming, and you know, it looks complicated. If you look at the video from DMP Car Design, you know, they make it look easy. So eventually, probably next week, I will try to do something with the passenger side. But let me show you then how it looks. You saw already the puddle light that was in the battery operated. This one is already installed, and the side view mirror, and it's electric, installed to the electrical system of the car. So every time that I turn on the car and you know the side view mirrors open, it will shine the light. So let me show you. Okay, so I close the garage door, and once I open the door or unlock it, this is what it looks like. And again, unlock it. That's what it looks like. Let me show you once more. That cool? I think it looks amazing. It's very sharp. Maybe it doesn't show as sharp on the image with the camera, but it looks very sharp. Okay friends, so I hope that you liked this video and the amazing installation of the puddle light on the side view mirror for the driver. Hopefully next week I'll get the courage to do the passenger side, because it involves, as I said before, a lot of work. So, you know, but I'll take my time. Okay, so until the next video, peace.